Actually, you don't want to hear me sing. Instead, why not join us here at Lymm Castle this coming Sunday, the 26th of June at 4 p.m. for an amazing afternoon and evening of live opera featuring your favourite arias and show tunes with the fantastic Cameo Opera Group. Included in the package are some delicious canapes, sparkling wine and a picnic buffet. Contact the bistro at the castle today to book your tickets.